Hello everyone. Today I want to share my thoughts on my Velotric Breeze 1 e-bike. When I was first in the market for an e-bike, I was looking at the model that my husband has, the Velotric Discover 2. But they did not offer the color purple that I love. So I decided to check out the Breeze 1. The first thing I want to talk about is the design and the build. It has a step-through comfort frame. I absolutely love the paint finish. It is a little bit shimmery, but not too much, and I get so many looks and compliments when we are on the trail. It has a solid build. I would say it's a comfortable riding position and easy mounting. One of the things I love about the bike are the wide handlebars, and they are fully adjustable. Next is the motor and performance. A very smooth pedal assist with really good torque. It tops out around 28 miles per hour, and it has a throttle that is very smooth as well. It handles hills well, and it's great for a commuter bike. Next is the battery and range. It has a 48-volt battery that gets up to 55 miles while on the ECO setting and pedal assist 1. Typically, my husband and I keep ours on trail setting, and we get 30 to 40 miles. The battery is very easily removable and charges within 3 to 4 hours. Next is comfort and ride. It is a very comfortable ride. I chose to add a wide saddle, which makes it just a very smooth and more comfortable ride for me personally. I love the upright position I'm able to sit. The 27.5-inch tires absorb bumps very well. It's a very stable and comfortable ride. Next are the pros and cons. The pros, I would say, is it's a very comfortable bike. It's lightweight, very solid power, it's long range, and like I said before, it has a very stylish design. The cons are that it did not come with a rear rack or fenders, and it did not come with a front basket, but I would highly recommend ordering a front basket. So my verdict for the Velotric Breeze 1 e-bike is that it is the perfect bike for new riders or daily commuters wanting comfort and value. I hope this video has been a help. If it has been, then please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.